was just off to the
All right.
There's a big car dealership.
So we have multiple tornado warnings currently in effect in Wisconsin here because of a storm system. Hold on, I'm gonna go ahead and pull up.
Windows will be broken, the cars will be dented, and
I'm gonna go pull up the weather forecast for
perfectly drivable,
area.
but it will cost so much. Here's what the insurance company will do. It'll cost so much to
Right.
repair every piece of sheet metal, every piece of
Here we go.
and every
Here we
window that and it will take too
Here
long
we
to
go.
repair it. They'll just total the vehicle, but they'll be totally drivable.
Right. Oh, but anyone who's been in an accident recently knows how expensive it is to repair cars. So hailstorms are expensive. We know that. And we're also getting some hail in some of these cells that are south too, where the tornado warnings are active. Supercell thunderstorms like this tend to rotate.
Anyways,
all the hazards.
what was that? What was that? I heard it.
Hail. We've got several warnings down here that we need to show you. This one in Reynolds County, that's radar indicated. The one in Shannon County, that's observed.
Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for Lake County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern McHenry County in northeastern Illinois until 7:15 p.m. At 6:20 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage were located along a line extending from Richmond to near Lakewood, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near Crystal Lake, McHenry, Antioch, Fox Lake, Island Lake, Johnsburg, Lake Mirror, Spring Grove, Pistakee Highlands, and Volo around 6:25 p.m. Round Lake Beach, Round Lake, Wakonda, Lake Villa, Long Lake, and Port Barrington around 6:30 p.m. Lindenhurst, Round Lake Park, Lake Barrington, Venetian Village, and Tower Lakes around 6:35 p.m. Mundelein, Grays Lake, Hawthorne Woods, Grandwood Park, and Third Lake around 6:40 p.m. Other locations in the path of these tornadic storms include Gurnee, Libertyville, Gages Lake, Long Grove, Wadsworth, Waukegan, Vernon Hills, Zion, Beach Park, Winthrop Harbor, North Chicago, Park City, Green Oaks, Lake Forest, Lincolnshire, and Lake Bluff. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Oh my God, I just caught a tornado warning. You know what that means? You know what that means, guys, right?
Of course, we're getting out trees down on homes, south side of St. Louis, around the Oakville area. That's going to be right along the Missouri and Illinois state line, right on the river there. So you're talking just outside of
See that?
Outer Bell in that one, just south of 255. So in those kind of situations, you're thinking, man, we escaped.
Now see that.
Tornado, but maybe you got a huge wind gust.
We have it. Severe weather mode is on. Severe weather mode is on. Wait, is it going to come on our TV? It can come on our TV. I just heard it come on the TV down there. This could come on our TV. Oh my God, guys. Yo!
The main threats for storms hitting the Chicago area on Sunday night are heavy rain and lightning. 3 minutes ago, ABC said.
Where's severe weather? Severe weather. Here it is. There we go.
Same for the 2-inch diameter hail or bigger.
There we go. We got it. I have never caught a tornado warning like that before, especially on StreamYard. But hey, this is good. Is this gonna come on the TV? Let me go on a random channel. Oh my god. Which way is this heading? All of Lake County. Which way is this heading? East. If this goes east and a little southeast, this can repeat the June 13th, 2022 event. Wait, I should be more careful about this. I know it's for up there, but it could just go southeast. If it does, this could be it. This could be our next tornado. This could be our first 2024 tornado warning. But I don't know. It doesn't show any tornado warning on here. I don't show severe thunderstorm warning. Can I try to show? Or Keegan? Can I try to show it?
Another song.
Whoa, wait, wrong way.
20 minutes time, even more Keegan to get inside. So now is the time to act. Wrap everything up, get indoors, and ride out the
I can't do
your safe place. You don't know what that is. Your safe place should be in the
Oh my God. The
Well,
perfect sex
this
drive.
is a very.
If you only have a ground floor, you want to go onto the first floor, and
You can kind of. Yeah. There we go. I got the perfect image. No way. Look at that.
It's coming out either in 2024 or 2025.
Okay, good.
As you can see on
5 Nights at Freddy's 2, the movie. All right.
Grays Lake, you only have about, say, 5 to 6 minutes before these storms roll in.
This guy's telling everyone that you're gonna die soon. He's like 5 to 6 minutes before that. He's like, wait, no one's gonna die from this. Mark my words. Bathroom. Well, there's like a 30% chance this will touch down. It ain't gonna touch down, and by the time I post this, the whole entire event will be over right now. Oh, that's gonna go into Cook County 1,000%. Not the tornado warning part, the rain part going into Cook County soon.
Is where that area of red is, the red polygon, indicating that we have the tornado warning. Here's where I'm going to change it. We want to take a look.
Is that a new one?
See as far as the wind speeds in here, what we're seeing as far as our storm. And as of right now, the strongest winds are.
Another one. Oh, just a marine warning. Just a stupid marine warning. I guess it isn't that stupid, but.
Special marine warning from the National Weather Service.
Is that it?
The National Weather Service in Chicago
Where am I
has
pointing
issued a
at?
special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor out to mid-lake until 8:30 p.m.
Is this
At
good?
6:27 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending
I can't
from
do that
17
forever.
nautical miles west of 73rd to McKinley.
Oh, 3?
Moving east at 30 knots.
Oh yeah, issues marine warning. What about Lincoln? Issues severe thunderstorm watch. Storm Prediction Center issues severe thunderstorm watch. Issues mesoscale discussion 993.
Locations impacted include Winthrop Harbor and Muskegon Harbor. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass. Wind gusts to 40 knots. Small hail, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rain are possible with these storms.
And in the more intense area of the storm, possibly worse than that. So,
Alright, well, there's that. So I caught another 2 warnings in this. That's very crazy.
What we're finding is this line
You know,
storm
hold on.
has potential to put down some pretty strong winds, up to
Wait.
60 miles an hour. And we're also finding that there is
Entire
a
screen.
North and west
Built-in
of the
display.
storm.
Yeah, so
It is radar indicated. Nobody has seen anything yet.
yeah, the stage. There you
Keep
go.
an eye on reports, but the storm will continue to push east and looks like it will hold.
Let's make it way better.
all the way across Lake County during the
There we go. We got it.
this evening. Let's step off camera real quick here and access it
Whoops, nope.
and gather some more information.
All right, we got it. Oh wait, it's
We have this tornado warning, eastern McHenry County, also into
wait.
in effect
oh my God.
until 7:15. So we have about another 45 minutes for you in Lake County along the lakefront with these storms. The biggest biggest concern we have.
I said that. I said this one. Alright, that's good. That's pretty good. I now
At 30 miles an hour. So
what's on my history, anyways?
the big concern, what you want to do is just get indoors and ride out this storm. You do not want to be outside.
Wait, hold on. Let me open a new tab. Hold on.
Looks like right now the potential for
Hold on.
just to the south of McHenry as well. Island Lake to about Bolo. That's an area along Highway 12 here. Again, if you live along this area, if you know somebody, you want them in shelter right now. And then, of course, the storm will continue to be east at 30 miles an hour. So let's go ahead and recap things to do. If you're in this area,
What beeping?
Lake County and extreme eastern McHenry County, you need to get indoors right now. You're under a tornado warning, and the Doppler indicates strong winds.
Bro, that actually scared me.
For some rotation, just to the
Oh my God, bro, they could do some. NWS can definitely do some scary stuff.
Where's the best place to go indoors? Well, lowest floor possible. If you have a basement, get there, ride out the storm for the next 15 minutes or so. If you don't have a basement, your first floor, find an interior room.
At 6:31 p.m., a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing tornadoes was located along a line
Alright.
extending from near Spring Grove to near Prairie Grove, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near Crystal Lake, Round Lake Beach, McHenry, Round Lake, Antioch, Wakonda, Fox Lake, Lake Villa, Island Lake, and Johnsburg around 6:35 p.m. Grays Lake, Lindenhurst, Hawthorne Woods, Round Lake Park, Venetian Village, and Tower Lakes around 6:40 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lake County in northeastern Illinois, McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:10 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Hebron to near Marengo, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect.
Oh, get off.
Sighting, entries. Locations impacted include Waukegan, Buffalo Grove.
You see nothing. You see nothing. You see nothing in the other window. There was nothing at all.
Highland Park, Lake, Indiana the Hills, Round Lake Beach, McHenry, Vernon Hills, Woodstock, Zion, Hunley, Grays Lake.
There was nothing in the
Lake
other
Villa,
windows. There was
Lake Forest,
absolutely
Round
nothing.
Lake, Antioch, Wakonda, Fox Lake, Barrington, and Lake Villa. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop.
Remain alert for a
quickly from
possible
severe
tornado.
thunderstorms.
5 minutes later, tornado warning
If you spot a
issued.
tornado, go
Alright,
at
let me
once
see. Is
into
there
the
going to be
basement
any
or
other
small
tornado
central room
warnings?
in a sturdy structure.
Just
For
for good
your
measure,
protection,
I'm
move
also
to an
setting up
interior room on the lowest
tornadohq.com.
floor of a building. A tornado warning remains in effect until 7:15 p.m. for Lake and northeastern McHenry counties. At 6:31 p.m., a line of severe
Not even my
thunderstorms
Gaiad can
capable of
handle
producing
this.
tornadoes was located
And my
along
Gaiad
a line
can't handle
extending
this, but
from
my
near Spring Grove
Gias
to near
can. I was
Prairie
like,
Grove, moving east at 30 miles per hour.
zoom in.
Hazard, tornado. Source, Radar indicated rotation.
Perfect.
Impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter.
Yikes! I never knew.
Mobile homes will be
2%. I
damaged
usually
or
don't pay
destroyed.
attention to those, even if
Damage
I'm in
to
those
roofs,
areas.
windows,
But
and vehicles will
Wisconsin's
occur.
not even in any
Tree
risk for a
damage is
tornado,
likely.
and they already have tornado
These
warnings
dangerous
issued for them.
storms will be near Crystal Lake, Round Lake Beach, McHenry,
Alright,
Round
this is
Lake,
gonna
Antioch,
be like a
Wakonda, Fox
bigger
Lake,
chance that this
Lake
can actually
Zurich, Island
touch
Lake,
down. I said
and
30%,
Johnsburg around
but now it could be
6:35
like a
p.m.
40%.
Grays Lake, Lindenhurst, Hoffman
But
Woods,
it'll
Round
probably
Lake
in
Park,
like
Venetian Village,
in
and
like
Tower
15
Lake
minutes
around 6:40
maybe.
p.m.
It'll be right
We'll
west
cover
of
now.
Antioch in 15
Move to a
minutes. If
basement
it
or
did
an
touch
interior
down, it
room on
is
the lowest floor of a sturdy
there
building.
is no confirmation of a
Avoid
tornado
windows.
touchdown.
If
But
you are
if it
outdoors,
were to
in a
touch
mobile
down
home
within
or
15
in a
minutes,
vehicle,
it'd be
move to
in
the closest
Antioch.
substantial shelter and protect yourself
But
from flying debris.
that's only if it touched down in
The
15
following
minutes.
is a special marine warning from
If
the
it
National
touched down,
Weather
if it
Service.
touched down within
The
45
National
minutes,
Weather Service in
it would
Chicago
be
has issued a
right
special
west
marine
of
warning
Winthrop
for
Harbor.
nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Little Lake Harbor. Open
Like
waters
this.
from Winthrop Harbor to Little Lake Harbor out to mid-lake until 8:30
Yep, Winthrop Harbor.
p.m.
Oh, Little Med Harbor.
At 6:27 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 17 nautical miles west of Pleasant Prairie to McHenry to 9
Track my
nautical
current
miles
location
northwest of Elgin, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard.
Oh,
gusts
come on,
to
bro.
40
Why do I
knots
gotta do
and
this?
small hail.
This doesn't actually
Source,
go full screen.
radar.
That's cool. It
Impact.
does.
Small craft could be damaged in
Alright, that's
briefly higher
better.
winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Winthrop Harbor and Waukegan Harbor.
Harbor.
Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately
Harbor.
until these storms pass.
Harbor?
Wind gusts
Yep.
to 40 knots, small hail, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rain are possible with these storms. This is NOAA's Weather Radio
There you go.
KZZ81 Lockport. Severe weather is occurring or forecast.
Greetings from TornadoHQ.com.
This station will broadcast.
Beeping. Hear it? No, ended. Back to that.
Because we have a cold front that's coming through
Lake
the
County
area,
in Indiana.
and that's what's triggering us.
Standard broadcasts will be curtailed to bring you the latest
Radio.
severe weather information. This is NOAA's Radio KZZ81 Lockport. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. This station will broadcast severe weather alarm tones for Cook, Lake, DuPage, Will, Kane.
Oh,
Kendall,
it's starting to have
Kankakee, and
pop-up,
Grundy
not
counties in
pop-up though,
Illinois,
but
as well as
storm
Lake
clouds
County
right
in
north of
Indiana.
us.
Standard broadcasts will be curtailed to bring you the latest severe weather information.
Wow, there's populated
This is
cities
NOAA
in
Weather
this, like
Radio,
Waukegan.
KZZ81 Lockport. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our
Not
listening area.
good at all.
This station will broadcast severe weather alarm tones for Cook, Lake, DuPage, Will, Kane, Kendall, Kankakee, and Grundy counties in Illinois, as well as Lake County in Indiana. Standard broadcasts will be curtailed to bring you the latest severe weather information.
Ohio!
The current time is 6:38
What?
p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Stop interrupting me.
The National
Nobody
Weather
cares
Service
about an
in
area
Chicago
hydraulical
issued a
discussion.
severe
It
thunderstorm
isn't even a
warning for
hydraulical
Lake
outlook.
County in northeastern
What's that?
Illinois, McHenry County in northeastern Illinois.
What's that?
Until 7:30 p.m.
Oh, don't scare me like that.
There is one new tornado warning for Illinois.
Alright.
60 miles per hour wind gusts.
35 active severe weather. Oh, wow.
Radar indicated. Impact. Expects damage to roof,
Well,
siding, and
um,
trees. Locations impacted include Waukegan, Buffalo Grove, Crystal Lake, North Chicago,
What's that?
Gurnee, Mundelein, Algonquin, Highland Park, Lake,
Please don't
Indiana, the Hills,
There is one new severe thunderstorm warning for Iowa.
I don't care about Iowa.
Lake, Libertyville, Lake Zurich, Lake Forest, Round Lake.
I'm not mad. I
Antioch,
just did that to be
Wakonda,
fair.
Fox Lake, Barrington, and Lake Villa. Remain
Barrington.
alert for a
What
possible
about
tornado.
Lake Barrington?
Tornadoes can develop.
What about the
severe
weather? Is the
thunderstorms.
Weather Channel saying anything, or is the
Before
Weather Channel
tornadoes
being
go at
stupid
once
and dumb?
into the basement or small central room in a
You're not
certain
being
structure.
stupid and dumb. You're not going to
Or your
commercial, which is
protected roof
exactly
or
what you would
interior room
do.
on the lowest
You'd
floor of
pause
the
all
building.
commercial breaks if there's severe weather.
A tornado warning remains in effect until 7:15 p.m. for Lake and northeastern McHenry counties.
That's exactly what I would
At
do.
6:31 p.m., a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing tornadoes was located
No,
along
really?
the line extending
I thought it
from
was
near
just,
Spring Grove to near
cloud
Forest
moving
Grove,
down.
moving east at 30 miles
Wait,
per
those
hour.
are what tornadoes.
Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated.
Rotation. Impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near Crystal Lake.
There is one new tornado warning for Kentucky.
I don't care!
Island Lake and Johnsburg around 6:35
6:35 p.m.
Grays Lake,
Location,
Lindenwood,
location, location,
Hawthorne Woods,
location, and
Round Lake
location
Park,
around
Venetian
6:40
Village,
p.m.
and Tower Lakes around 6:40 p.m.
Register.
Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows.
What now?
If you are outdoors,
Are you gonna be
in a mobile
stupid
home
now? Or are you
or
gonna be
in a
good
vehicle,
now?
Move to the closest.
There is one new severe thunderstorm warning for Arkansas.
You're stupid. All right.
The following is a special marine warning from the National
Why do
Weather
they have
Service.
to play the
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special
Why they
marine
have to play
warning
the
for
SMW?
nearshore
Why they have to
waters
play
from
the
Winthrop Harbor
SMW?
to Wilmette Harbor. Open waters from Winthrop
Bro.
Harbor to Wilmette Harbor out to mid-lake
Whoa!
until 8:30 p.m.
It's
At
that close to
6:27
us?
p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from
I'm looking
17
at my
nautical
window.
miles west of Pleasant Prairie. to
There is one new tornado warning for Illinois.
What?
Moving east at 30
Where?
knots. Hazard. Wind gusts to 40 knots.
Oh,
and small
all those
hail.
Illinois ones are probably southern. I don't care.
Radar.
Anyways,
Impact.
I'm looking out my
Small
window.
grass could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves.
Yoink.
Locations impacted include
I didn't know it was that
Winthrop
close
Harbor
to
and
us.
Muskegon Harbor. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass. Wind gusts to 40 knots, small hail, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rain are possible with these storms. This is NOAA's Weather Radio KZZ 81 Lockport. Severe weather
Is anything else
occurring
getting
or
issued for
forecast to occur in our
the lot
listening
area?
This station will broadcast severe weather.
This thing
alarms
touches
from
down. I'm not going
Lake,
into severe weather
Dubuque,
emergency
Will,
mode.
Kane,
Oh, I
Kendall,
wasn't supposed to
Kankakee,
refuse.
and
Oh, yeah.
Grundy counties in Illinois,
Is that my ticket?
as well
Anyways.
as Lake County in Indiana. Standard broadcasts will be curtailed
oh
to
boy.
bring you the
Oh,
latest
boy.
severe weather information. This is NOAA's Weather Radio KZZ 81 Lockport. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. This station will
It's a perfect
broadcast
plan.
severe weather
School
alarms
ended
for
3 days ago.
Lake, Dubuque,
4 days ago.
Will, Kane, Kendall, Kankakee, and Grundy counties in Illinois.
2 days ago.
as
School
well as
ended
Lake
2 days ago.
County in
There is
Indiana.
one new severe thunderstorm warning for Virginia and West
To bring you
Virginia.
the latest severe weather
Where in West
information.
Virginia? What?
This is NOAA Weather Radio.
Where in West
KZZ 81
Virginia?
Lockport. Severe
Like
weather
anyone
is
cares.
occurring or
Well, if it was a
forecast to
tornado,
occur in
when
our
people would
listening
care, but
area.
us
This
3 hours,
station
nobody
will
really cares
broadcast
because
severe weather
they're not
alarms
tornadoes.
for Cook, Lake,
Storm
Dubuque,
chasers.
Will,
Wow,
Kane,
Volo is either in it or not in it.
Kankakee, and Grundy counties in Illinois, as well as Lake County.
Where's
in Indiana.
Volo? Are they just
Standard
coming up with
broadcasts will be
random
curtailed
city
to bring
names?
you the
Because I
latest
haven't heard
severe
of
weather
Cook
information.
in Cook County, Illinois
The
until
current
like
time is
early 2020.
43
3
p.m.
or
Central
something.
Daylight Time.
But like for
The
real,
National Weather
Where-
Service in
where
Chicago has issued
Nebraska?
a severe thunderstorm warning for
Kansas?
Lake
I don't
County in northeastern Illinois, McHenry County in northeastern
what
Illinois
about
until 7:30 p.m.
Don't be looking at my
6:10 p.m.,
stuff.
Severe thunderstorms were located
Like,
along the line extending from near Hebron to near Marengo, moving east at 30 miles per hour.
I haven't heard of Polo until
50
now.
miles
I
per
mean
hour
Volo
winds
until
and
now.
25 hail.
I haven't heard of Volo
Radar
until now. I
indicated
haven't heard of.
Impact.
I heard of
Expect
Wakanda.
damage to roof, siding,
Cy-Ivan-
and trees.
Cy
Locations impacted include
Cy-Ivan Lake?
Buffalo Grove, Crystal Lake, North
Sylvan
Chicago,
Lake? I don't know, but I've
Woodlawn,
also never heard of
Algonquin,
that before.
Highland Park,
So
Lake,
Volo
Indiana
and
Hills,
Salva.
Lake Beach,
Let's just
McHenry,
call it
Granite Hills,
Ivan
Woodstock,
Snow Good
Zion,
Sewage Lake for
Conway,
now.
Grays Lake, Libertyville, Lake Zurich,
Rondo,
Lake Forest,
another city
Round
I
Lake,
don't know.
Antioch, Wakonda,
What's
Fox
down there?
Lake, Barrington, and Lake
It
Villa.
can't be Ottawa because there's
Remain
only
alert for a possible tornado.
Meadow Water.
Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms.
Yes, I know.
There is one new special marine warning.
One new special marine warning?
Wait,
Wait, this could be for. Oh, it's for the one right now. That is an extremely small special marine warning.
A tornado warning
For one that's going
until
into what?
7:15 p.m. for Lake and
For
northeastern McHenry
Exactly 2 hours.
At 6:31
And
p.m., a line
literally-
of severe thunderstorms capable of producing tornadoes was located along a line extending from
Literally,
near Spring
a
Grove
very
to near
small
Prairie
special
Grove,
marine warning
moving
for
east
one
at
that's
30
going
miles
2
per
hours
hour.
long.
Hazard. tornado.
Now I think that's a little too
Source,
much there.
Radar indicated rotation.
That's a little too much.
Impact.
Is the
Flying
Weather
debris
Channel
will
dumb?
be dangerous to those caught without shelter.
What is going on with the
Roads
Weather Channel?
will be
ABC's haven't had news,
damaged to
a commercial
windows
break since
and
like,
vehicles will occur.
I don't know, 20 minutes
Tree
ago.
damage is likely.
Ever since this one tornado warning got
Dangerous
issued, they
zones
have
will be
not
near
had
Crystal
have-
Lake,
they have
Round
not
Lake
had
Beach,
any
McHenry,
single
Round
tornado
Lake,
commercial.
Wakonda, Fox Lake,
What?
North
What's
Villa,
this?
and Johnsburg around 6:30
Oh,
p.m.
this is also on IEM.
Grave Lake.
There is one new severe thunderstorm warning for Illinois and Missouri.
Oh, so yeah, you could definitely tell it's southern. If it's Illinois and Missouri.
Take cover
It's either
now.
southern or southwest.
Move to a basement or an
Now I
interior
wanna know
room
if
on the
it's southern or
lowest floor of a
southwest.
sturdy building.
If I say something,
Avoid windows.
I want to see what's inside the
If you are outdoors in a mobile
Now I
home
wanna
or
know
in a
what's inside the weather.
vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and
Oh,
protect yourself
oh,
from
what's
flying
this? Is
debris.
it gonna be an IEM? No?
The
Alright.
following is a
What is
special marine warning from the National
Spit it
Weather
out,
Service.
old lady.
The National
Spit
Weather
it out,
Service
old lady.
There is one new severe thunderstorm warning for Missouri.
Yeah, you're
Western
old.
waters from Winthrop
Uh-oh.
Harbor to Little Lake Harbor. Open
I
waters
heard like
from
a
Winthrop Harbor to
in my
Little Lake
weather
Harbor
radio.
out to Mid-Lake.
Usually that
Until
reminds me like an
8:30 p.m.
EAS thing is coming in soon.
At 6:27
I don't know, those
strong
NWS
thunderstorms were
people
located along the
could
line
be seeing a
extending from 70
downburst,
nautical miles
like,
west of
and they could be
Pleasant
just
Prairie
like,
to
oh yeah,
McHenry, 9
tornado
nautical
warning,
miles northwest
for
of
all of
Lincoln,
Illinois.
moving east at 39.
That could be
Hazard,
submitted right
wind
now,
gusts
but they
to
were.
40 knots and small hail.
I'm trying to
Source,
install AWIPS
radar.
actually. AWIPS
Impact.
cave, but I've never
Small craft
succeeded.
could be damaged
One,
from briefly
I don't
higher
have
winds and suddenly higher waves.
Windows
Locations of damage include
computer. I have
Winthrop
Linux,
Harbor and Waukegan
but
Harbor.
it takes like 2 million
Voters
steps
should
to actually
keep
do
safe
something.
harbor immediately
Apple
until
wise,
storm
I am
passes.
not familiar with that. All they have is
Northwest
AirPods
to
from
40
Apple.
knots.
Not
Small
from
hail,
Apple.
high waves, dangerous
It was
weather,
free, but
and heavy
okay.
rain are possible with these. A tornado warning remains in effect until 7:15 p.m. for Lake County.
Oh,
At 6:46 p.m.
There are two new warnings affecting Arkansas and Missouri.
Tornadoes were located along a line extending.
all right,
from
old lady, I'm gonna
Wakonda,
need you to just
moving
shut
at
up for a
6
second.
miles
So,
per hour.
disable all
Hazard,
speech.
Tornado.
Disable audio
Source,
alerts.
radar indicated rotation. Impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near Gurnee, Mundelein, Round Lake Beach, Grays Lake, Libertyville, Round Lake, Antioch, Wakonda, Lake Villa, and Lindenhurst around 6:50 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The following is a
Alright.
special marine warning
Yeah,
from the
banner.
National Weather
Let's
Service.
test it.
The National Weather
Other
Service
one, other
in
one.
Chicago has issued a special marine warning for
Ugh,
cool
no.
waters from Winthrop Harbor to Little Lake Harbor, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Little Lake Harbor out to Mid-Lake until 8:30 p.m.
Oh.
At 6:27 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 17 nautical miles west of Pleasant Prairie to McHenry,
that's
9 nautical miles
see, let's see.
northwest of Elgin, moving east at
The
39.
average viewer.
Hazard,
That's
wind
what it'd
gusts to 40 knots and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher
Oh
winds
wow,
and
that's
suddenly higher
cool.
waves.
That's cool.
Locations impacted include Winthrop Harbor and Waukegan Harbor.
I'm sorry guys if I'm messing up your brain, but come on. What is going on up there?
Small hail, high waves.
Alright, get me out of the screen. Get me out of the screen.
Possible with these storms.
That's pretty disturbing.
This is NOAA's Weather Radio KZZ 81 Lockport. Severe
Never
weather is
press
occurring
this
or
button if you like
forecast
that.
to occur in
If
our
you press
listening
this button, it
area.
messes up your brain
This
easily,
station
like
will
fast.
broadcast severe
Watch.
weather alarm tones for Cook, Lake,
It's
Buchanan,
already in stage
Will,
2.
Kane, Kendall,
Dispatch stage one.
Kankakee, and Grundy counties in Illinois. As
You
well
need
as
to get
Lake
rid of
County
this.
in
It's
Indiana.
messing up my brain. Just kidding.
Standard broadcast
But oh yeah,
will be
you gotta
fulfilled
really
to
get
bring
rid
you
of
the
this.
latest severe weather information.
This is messing up everyone's brain
This is
that
NOAA's
they're currently
A severe
speaking.
thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 7:30 p.m. for Lake County. At 6:48 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located
They're gonna
along the line
blow!
extending from near Antioch to near Wakonda and Hawthorne Woods, moving east at 30 miles per hour.
This used to be my
Hazard,
cursor.
60 miles per
Now
hour
it's
gusts and
bombs that
25
are
hail.
extending together,
Source,
that are
radar indicated.
um
Impact.
closing up
Expect
together.
damage to roof, siding, and trees.
Oh my god. What What am I creating? What am I creating? I'm sorry, guys, that I'm doing it. I can create upbursting meteors. What is this? Dude! I created the outside. Oh, it's all gonna be consumed by purple. The white is dead now. Let's just help it now, shall we?
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest
It's like
floor
a
of the building.
cancer cell, but like,
Weather radio
what? I created the heart!
Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area.
I have no idea what this is anymore, but one single rainbow cursor can cause all of this. Dude!
Standard broadcasts will be curtailed to bring you the latest.
Alright,
severe
get me
weather
out of that.
information.
It really would not
This is
mess
no
up my
weather
brain, but
radio. It is
that was
leading
cool.
on-
That was very cool.
Severe weather is
That
occurring
was-
or forecast to occur
that
in
was
our
very
listening
cool.
area. The station
Yeah.
will broadcast severe weather alarm tones for Cook, Lake, DuPage, Will, Kane, Kendall, Kankakee, and Grundy counties in Illinois, as well as Lake County in Indiana.
Alright,
Standard broadcasts
well, I guess
will be
that's
curtailed
all.
to bring you the latest severe
I'll be
weather
live
information.
tomorrow. Bye, guys.
The
I'll be
current
live
time is
tomorrow.
6:51
Wait, hold on.
p.m.
Hold on.
Central Daylight Time.
Up.
A tornado warning remains in effect until 7:15 p.m. for Lake County. At 6:46 p.m.
Alright, bye,
severe
guys.
Thunderstorms capable of producing tornadoes
I'll
were
see you soon.
located along the line extending from
Bye.
Pontiac to Wakanda.